guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how to make fried rice, and in this fried rice it's gonna be very simple, but once you try the way I'm gonna show you, it's gonna taste very delicious. So here I have my vegetables. This is my mixed vegetable. So I cook this chicken, so I cut it into small pieces. You can use fork to just make it into small pieces like this. So that's what I use. So this is my kidney beef, so that's what I got. If you have liver, you can use liver, but this is optional. Okay, I have my onion, my pepper, my garlic, and my nut cube. So I'm gonna use 2 pieces of nut cube. So here I have my curry powder. I'm sorry for this, I couldn't find Nigerian curry, so I had to buy the Indian curry. So this is what was available in the store, so I just had to get this one. So if we can't find the Nigerian curry, I think you can use any curry of your choice. So this is my chicken stock, the stock I cook chicken with. So if you cook chicken, you have a stock. So I filter the stock. So I'm gonna add a little curry powder because I use curry powder on the chicken already. So I'll add a little of curry powder. So it's time to add rice. So this rice, I washed it already. So I washed the rice before I use it. So you have to wash your rice. Okay. So right now we're going to boil this rice for about 20 minutes. Then we'll come back to it. So after 20 minutes, we're going to check how the rice is cooking. I think I need to put a little bit water. So I'll put a little water to cook with because it's not soft. So we'll come back in the next 5 minutes to check. So guys, the rice is ready. Right now we are going to fry the vegetable. So I will add my oil, my vegetable oil. You can use groundnut oil, depends on what you want. So I will add a little bit butter. I will add my onion. So I will add garlic and pepper. So we add vegetable, mix all together. So I have my nut cube, add everything. I have my salt, So I'm gonna add my chicken. add my thickening, so mix all together. So now we're going to transfer some of this vegetable into my bowl. So now we start frying the rice one after the other. So after we finish, we are going to transfer it into a bowl. So guys, this is how my fried rice came out. As you can see, it's very easy and simple to make, so it tastes very delicious. If you've not tried this way before, just give it a try, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. If this is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share. And I have a weight loss product if you're interested in losing weight, so I'm gonna drop a link. You can go check out the website and you will get amazing discount. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.